All right, so look, this video that you're about to watch is from my live I did, thanking y'all for 5,000 subs. We're almost at 6. So look, I thank y'all, and I thank the new people that subbed. All right, thank y'all for tapping in. You know what I'm saying? Really fucking with me, fooling with the boy. Will there be a 6,000 subscriber video? Absolutely not. Okay, I'll do it again at 10. I'll do it again at 10. But y'all will get a thank you. It'll probably be a short. It'll probably be a short. I'll do a thank you short, or just a post. But I'm not gonna do another video. The next time y'all get a video will be the next time y'all get like kind of like a blog style video. It'll just be just me just being on blog, just talking. You know what I'm saying? Like I normally do. But anyway, I enjoy going live with y'all. I enjoy spending time with y'all. Thank y'all so much for everything, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support really, really, keeps the channel going, keeps me going. As long as y'all watch the videos, everything's all good. Uh anyway, you know what I'm saying? Eventually, your boy will be able to quit his day job. That's the goal. But anyway, thank y'all so much. I am now looking to yeah, get ready for the weekend. You know what I'm saying? Not that well, this weekend I'm going to the beach, but like next weekend, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be Shard's birthday. We're gonna be going out a couple times for that. I'm gonna try to vlog it. I'm gonna try to vlog it. So you know what I'm saying, we can kind of like get it out there, you know what I'm saying? See, y'all can see what we had going on. I'm gonna try and vlog it as much as possible. Uh, you know, bear with me. Forgive me if I don't fully vlog it, okay? Just forgive me already in advance if I don't fully vlog it. Also, working on the Nisi's birthday party video. That should be done. Well, I'm not working on it. Let me stop capping. Uh Deji that does the interviews, you know what I'm saying? He edits my interviews. He's working on it. So y'all gonna get that later this month. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be great to look at. Uh Man, I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, and without further ado, here's the vlog, baby.
People, it's popping, it's popping. I'm here, Cibus Chophouse. Got my wine. I went wine instead, because to be honest, it's faster than the drinks. The drinks be taking a bit longer, and I don't be feeling like waiting. I ain't feel like waiting today. I felt like getting my little drink, my little drinky drink. I'm chilling out, man. Oh my god, what the f- is going on? Oh no, that's the highlight thing. This, okay, that flips it. All right, cool, cool. Man, I'm gonna let some of y'all ride up in here, man. I'm just happy I hit like I'm happy I got the 5,000 subs. I'm gonna let people get in here first. I'm gonna let people get in here first. I'm gonna talk about some things. Talk about some things off that like that. Talk about some things. Okay, what's up? Welcome, person. Um, so look, I just want to say off rip. I just want to thank y'all. Finally got the 5,000 subscribers. Well, I'm well past that. I'm like 5,500 or whatever. So it's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. I can't complain at all. Things are going the way that they should. Um, I had to adjust because vidIQ made some changes to its platform that kind of make it unusable. So I think I'm gonna cancel my subscription for that because it's unusable now. Like I normally would use vidIQ and it would help me like do tags and different things of that nature, title adjustments. But it they broke their own app. The app doesn't do what it's supposed to do anymore. It's not even half the app that it was. What's going on? What's going on, man? What's good with you, man? But yeah, I'm just streaming. One, I'm gonna show y'all the food again. This time like a bit more serious. Like I'm gonna get more of a review. This time, because I actually named it that way. um, and then because I'm at Cibus Chophouse, and then after that, excuse me. Then after that, now I'm gonna cut the live before I go to karaoke. Like before I fully show up to karaoke, I'm gonna cut the live. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna eat the food. I'm gonna grade the food, and then I'm just gonna be talking to y'all about whatever. I'm gonna have a new podcast episode come out tomorrow. That's gonna be good. What's up, King King? Yeah, I'm gonna have a new podcast episode come out tomorrow. Um, so that's gonna be good. That's gonna be fun. I'll be live streaming later on Twitch, on and also on YouTube on Prime Kai. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll be over there live streaming with him. That's gonna be a good time. Be great. Um, I just gotta eat. Do I like football? Yeah, I like football. Oh, from Russia. Dang, they still let y'all on YouTube? I thought y'all got canceled from YouTube. I thought Russians got canceled from YouTube, man. But they be banning content from y'all like crazy. Every time I get a copyright claim, that's where it's from. It's from Russia. Um, what's going on? Oh, okay. Nah, y'all still got it. Okay, that's good, man. I'm glad y'all still able to interact with the world. You know, and still get information out there. Oh, there's no ads whatsoever. Dang, that might be the best version of YouTube ever. I mean, it sucks for y'all content creators. Like y'all content creators can't make money. Yeah, free premium. Yeah. Oh, I'm doing good, Mega. Mega, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. The name of the whatchamacallit, bro. The name of this live stream. I'm in Cibus Chophouse. Cibus Chophouse. Yeah. Cibus Chophouse. Yeah, I'm waiting on where am I from? America. I'm from America. Thank you. I'm from America. I live are you you tripping. Hey yo, put you in timeout. Hey yo, I'm putting you in timeout, fam. You tripping. Nah, I'm not gonna do any of that. Where is you? I'm in America. I'm in America. Racist white boy. Who are you? Why is he saying? Why is he saying mom? And why do you call him a racist white boy? Is it in Atlanta? Nah, it's not in Atlanta. It's not in Atlanta, my guy. It's not in Atlanta, man. But bro, I need to go back to Atlanta. Like I gotta go back to Atlanta. As a, are you first? Oh, y'all are bugging. Y'all are bugging. Y'all are bugging. You just did what he just did, so I'm gonna throw you in timeout even longer. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro, tripping. Bro, tripping. I had to put you in the gulag. Blood. Currently, what? What are you talking about? Currently, I'm at Cibus Chophouse. Cibus Chophouse. Cibus Chophouse. Man, that's crazy, man. I sent both of them to the gulag. They was tripping, talking about some "Are you for sale?" I don't come back to Atlanta. They can't. Hey, on me, bro. On me, it's a liability out there. It's a straight up liability. The food or not? Hey, bro, this food slaps. It's phenomenal every fucking time. There's not been a single time I've been here that has not been banging. And I like to treat myself. I like to treat myself. So I'm gonna eat this 18-ounce ribeye that I've gotten now 4 times. It's really good. Like I can't make myself order anything else on the menu because this is so good. Like I can't do it. Either barbecue? No. No. It's not barbecue at all. Okay, this is water. It's just water from a glass cup. No, it's not barbecue. It's like American, but it's a steakhouse. You know what I'm saying? It's a steakhouse, but they call themselves actually a chop house because they do lamb, and they do something else as well. Nah, they don't. It's not seafood. It's not seafood, bro. It's not seafood. Yeah, it's not seafood. It's not seafood. That it is not. You out with people? Nah, no, 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 no. No, I'm not out with people right now. But I mean, people I know are in here though. Like, but I'm not. I'm not out with them. But they're in here, and then that I wanted to stream. My friends are in here, and then down the street we're gonna do something else. Have you ever had JJ's rippers? JJ's web track? Nah, I ain't never had none of that. I don't, what you talking about, King? I ain't never had none of that. I never had none of that. Nothing at all, bro. Nothing at all, man. But shoot, bro, like getting to like surely tell them it's your birthday and get a cake or something. Nah, man, I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. They've already seen my ID before. I can't get away with that. They've seen my ID. Like, how can I tell them it's my birthday? And they just looked at it. Yeah. Mhm. Have you ever been outside the U.S.? Yes, I have. English or Spanish answer? Oh, answer. Okay. Only English or Spanish? I speak English. No habla español. No hablo español. You know. So I speak a little bit of Spanish. I know a little bit, just enough to get by. You know, and enough to know when I'm in danger. But that's about it. Now, fam, y'all can't even move. What are you talking about? Y'all can't even move. I'm the only person that can move. You tripping? Yeah. You from the NYC? Nah, fam. I'm from California, bro. I've been out in California for a minute, bro. You know, I'm actually gonna go back. It's gonna be lit, bro. It's gonna be lit. I'm going back for one night only. It's gonna be big lit. One night only. Oh my god. Mhm. Man, what y'all got going on though? What's going on in y'all life? Y'all been asking me stuff. What's going on in y'all life? What's going on in y'all lives, man? I'm just, I'm just excited to get back to, you know what I'm saying? Like, well, I'm excited that I'm back to like making content regularly. Because at first, when I moved, when I started out here, like I just wasn't like I wasn't together. Like my mind wasn't right. Have you seen them Chinese cars? Which Chinese cars? Which Chinese cars? You gotta be specific. Which Chinese car? Um, but yeah, I went through you know, it was just like getting out of my own head, getting into a better place where I can create on a regular basis and like give y'all the content and stuff I need. BYD? No, I don't know what BYD. I don't know what BYD. I know that. Yeah. Man, come on. Man. Yeah, y'all in here chilling. I'm in here chilling. Ooh, the thumbnail guy just got done with the thumbnail. Oh yeah, we up, bro. King's Gaming. King's Gaming just got done with the thumbnail. We up. And plus, I'm supposed to put out the podcast today, but that's not gonna happen. I got a blog coming from my homegirl Nisi. I've ever been. You think that's somewhere somebody can visit? You think that's somewhere I can visit? You really think that's somewhere I can visit? That place is not visitable by nobody. Ain't nobody go there. Ain't nobody go there. You tripping. You know it. You tripping and you know it. You know people can't go there. You know they is not playing that noise up there. Folks cannot go into that country, bro. They cannot. You cannot go into that country, bro. That's not possible. That is not possible at all. You're gonna have to prove that. You're gonna have to prove it, bro. You're gonna have to prove it. I don't know what else to tell you, but you're gonna have to prove that one. Cause I ain't never in my life seen a soul go there. Not one. Not one. I don't know nobody that can go. The last American that went there was Dennis Rodman. Was Dennis Rodman because they liked him. That's it. Like, I'm telling you, that's crazy. The last person that went there, outside of North Korea, is him. And then there's that other dude that ran across the border, like, you know what I'm saying? But they gave him back because he's stupid. Freaking moron. Ruined his life because he wanted to run across the border during a tour. Got locked up for like 3, 4 months. That don't make no sense whatsoever. Can I get some more? Just landing in Paris watching live now. Oh, okay, Paris is live. Dang, you know what? That's what I should have did. I should have invited her to go live. But oh, that's what I'm gonna do next time. Oh my god. Me and her would rock alive so hard, bro. We would rock alive. Have you heard of Kava? Kava, what is Kava? No, I have not. What's Kava? Tell me about it. And I'm just assuming y'all can hear me, man. But yeah, yeah, man. I'm freaking like I'm in a good space in life, bro. I'm in such a good space in life, and everybody that was, you know what I'm saying, giving me problems, they going through it. They all going through it, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Karma catches up with everybody. God catches up with everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like I ain't gotta do nothing. I ain't gotta do nothing. I ain't gotta say nothing. I cannot speak ill of you, not do none of that. And it just comes for you. And it just comes for you. Life does. Life just comes for you over and over and over again. And I get the last laugh. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I do nothing and I win. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I just want you to know. You hear me? You don't hear me? Like how well this work? It's a restaurant. Oh, where's the restaurant at? I ain't never been there. I ain't never been to that restaurant. I ain't even heard of it. Yeah, man. Let me think. Man, I'm really waiting on this steak, bro. I'm so hungry. In Atlanta. Oh, in Atlanta. No, I ain't been. I ain't been there or heard of it. Cause I've only. This is my first. 2 weeks ago was my first time going to Atlanta and going outside. Like I hadn't really been outside. Like I went to man. Now I don't remember the name, but it's somebody's breakfast. Somebody's breakfast, like breakfast house or whatever. Phenomenal, bro. Phenomenal. That's the best lunch I've ever had in my life. Everything slapped. The pancake slap, the bacon slap, the egg slap, the potato slap. It was just good, real good. I'm trying to really remember it. All right, thank you. Okay, thank you. Um, excuse me. Can I get another nice? Melted. West End Mall. Okay, bet. I haven't been to the West End Mall. Like I didn't go to the mall while I was down there, bro, because somebody that I knew told me don't go there unless I wanted to get robbed. So I just didn't go. Like you could tell me how like true that is or not. But somebody told me, hey, bro, if you go, you're gonna get robbed. And I was like, I don't want to go. Okay, thank you. Okay, look, y'all. Thank you. Yes. All right, thank you. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna move this over there. That, that's gonna end up cooking too much. Um, are you? Wow. No, I'm not at KFC. Look, that's a steak, baby. That's a steak. Hey Jack, you got sent to the gulag. I ain't even gonna tolerate that. Yo, I'm sorry. I'm eating this steak. Weston ain't that. I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, I didn't know that though. Like, that's what they told me. They told me like, that's what they said. That's what they said. So I ain't even go. I ain't even play that. That's what they said. They were like, yo, they're like, yo, it's they moving different out here. Don't go over there. I said, all right, thank you.
Anything else I can get for you? Good?
The steak. Mm-hmm. It's wet wine, bro. Red wine. And they went out the back. I'm from the hood of the city. I'm from the hood. That's where my upbringing was. But my parents and my family always did whatever they could to, make sure I was in a better situation and I was able to do more. Now my cousins and stuff, they kept me off the streets because they were like, "This is our life. You got a chance to actually do something. Go do it." And then my cousin ended up dying, and I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna make sure I do it. Do something for him, at least, you know, because he was a smart dude. He just was caught up in the hood life. Uh, I'm from the city, but my family's from the country. That makes sense. Yeah, my family's from the country too. Like I seen the land where my people was sharecroppers at. Like that meant some crazy. Find out my people were sharecroppers and we were sharecroppers like right there. Seeing it, it's completely different, bro. And sharecropper land was basically a piece of slave land. I haven't heard of that.
Everything tasting okay for you?
Hey, y'all, I'm finna get up out of here, man. Have a good one.